Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Monzo IBAN number. First, you need to know that Monzo doesn't provide an IBAN directly. However, you can use third-party services like Wise to calculate your IBAN. To do this, you will need your account number and sort code. Here's how to find them in the Monzo app. First, open the Monzo app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Select the account for which you want to see the number and sort code. Click the Manage tab and scroll down to Account Details. Here, you will find your account number and sort code. Now, to calculate your IBAN, visit wise.com. Select United Kingdom from the drop-down menu. Now enter your sort code and account number and click Calculate IBAN. That's it. Now you have your Monzo IBAN number. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.